Morning. Let's get this tiresome task out of the way. Demonstrate the techniques that I taught you until I tell you to stop. I will be your partner. If I'm satisfied, I will teach you more. This time, I suppose you're showing some effort. That will be enough. You pass. I will take you on as a student. I've always wanted to try my hand at teaching. This should be entertaining.
Wow! You're super strong! I mean it!
Hey everybody! I'm starting a special class soon! You don't want to miss it now, do you guys?
Morning. Morning. Be sure to remember what I just showed you, because today, that is what you'll be using. You're up against Goku and Vegeta, and their powers are well beyond Super Saiyan. Well, fitting opponents for you, wouldn't you say?
So, you're the one Beerus was talking about. Looks like things are about to get interesting.
I use my full power no matter who I face. That is all. I'll just have some cake to watch, if you don't mind.
Damn it! That's what I would expect from Beerus' pupil. Vegeta, stay sharp or we're toast.
I don't need you to tell me that. You think I'm as foolish as you. They're both quite determined now. Just do your best to beat them. Damn you!
Vegeta! Wow, you're ridiculously strong.
You did quite well to beat that pair. I remember having some trouble with them myself. You have quite a lot of potential. I suppose I'll have to make the next lesson a tad harder.
Very good. You were worth all that waiting. Morning.
I have a brand new opponent lined up for you to face today. I believe Metal XenoVerse. I'll jump in once you wrap things up. Be sure to remember everything I've taught you.
I'll destroy you!
Oh, one more thing. You're on a tight schedule. Take 2, and I'll destroy this entire planet. Oh, that was right. There's 2. Yes, I suppose that would do. I wouldn't tolerate much less. And 3. 4. Oh, come on! Try hard! Just one of them left now, eh? Don't start slacking on me. You're all down already? You're too fast. I haven't finished my ice cream yet. I suppose I'll have to defeat you before it gets all melted. This time, I will have my pudding. This time, I will have my pudding. That's enough! Enough! Look at that! All of my ice cream melted. You fought me for quite a while. Impressive. I'll make the next challenge even harder then. Maybe I'll even give you a real fight. Well, something to look forward to. Now things are getting fun. Morning. lesson. As I said, I'll give you a taste of my real power. Still, the gap between our power levels is far too large. When I say the match is over, we'll call that a win for you. But an ordinary fight would be boring, so use my techniques, alright? Alright, I'm going to show you a little of my full strength, so I expect a stellar performance from you. I'll call that fight. You're the winner. Fighting a god of destruction at full power! I must say, you're really quite remarkable. If you continue to improve your technique, as you have so far, you might become a worthy opponent for me. Very impressive. A rare genius, in fact. Morning. Morning.